Hi, my name is Bintu and today I am going to teach you how to reverse a number. Whatever computer course you are doing, whether you are doing BCA, MCA or you are doing computer engineering, if there is any subject like C, programming or data structures, a very popular question that is being asked in these subjects is that reverse an integer number. For example, suppose you enter 724, the output you want is the reversal of it. That is, you want the output as 427. To understand this program, we will first understand how it is done manually. See, for reversing a number, you have to partition it into 3 individual digits. You have to take out 7 as an individual digit, 2 and 4. And this partition is done with the help of this structure called as stack. I hope that you must have seen my videos of stack, how to implement a stack using arrays on YouTube. If you haven't seen it, please follow this link. View that video. After that, it will become very easy for you to understand this program. What I am doing here, for dividing it into an individual digit, I have to divide every digit by 10. See, this 724, I am dividing it by 10. 10 72 is 720, the remainder is 4. This 4 is pushed to stack. While working with stack, you will come across 2 functions. One is push, another is pop. Push means you want to insert something into the stack. While pushing anything onto the stack, you need an index pointer which is called as top. The top initially is -1. So while pushing into the stack, the top is incremented by value 1 and then the value is pushed. The value of the index top is -1. It is incremented by 1, that is, it is made 0. At the stack 0 location, this 4 remainder is pushed. After that, again the control will come over here. This 72 is divided by 10. 10 7s are 70, the remainder is 2. This 2 is again pushed to stack. The value of the top is 0. It is incremented to 1. This stack 1 element location, this remainder 2 is pushed. After that, the control will come over here. This 7 is divided by 10. You cannot divide 7 by 10. So this whole 7 is a remainder. Again, this 7 is pushed to stack. The value of top is incremented before pushing into the stack. The value of top is 1. It will be incremented to 2. On the stack 2 position, this 7 is pushed. So once the whole number that you want to reverse is individually divided into the units and it is pushed to stack, these numbers are popped off. See, what I am doing here, this 7 is popped here, it is placed here. After that, this 2 is popped. After that, this 4 is also popped. See, while popping off, the value of again top is used. Top is pointing at the last location. Let me tell you, this stack is a LIFO structure, last and first out. Whatever was pushed at the end is taken out first. So 7 is popped. The value of top is at 2 and that is, it is pointing at stack 2 location. This value is popped, right? It is placed here. The value of top is decremented by 1 after every pop. The top will point at 1, stack 1 location. This 2 is popped off. It is placed here. Again, after popping off, the value of top is decremented by 1 to point at the element which has to be popped now. Again, this value is popped off. This 4 is placed here. And the value of top is decremented by 1. It will become -1. The moment the value of top becomes -1, that means the stack is empty. After popping off all the values here from the stack, you are multiplying each of the individual digit by the 10, and with every multiplication you are incrementing the power. You are incrementing the exponent of 10. For example, this 7 is multiplied by 10 to the power 0. This 2 is multiplied by 10 to the power 1. Thereafter, this 4 is multiplied by 10 to the power 2. You can see that the exponent, that is the power of 10, is incremented from 0, 1, 2 as we are moving to the left. See, 10 to the power 0 is 1. So 7 into 1 is 7. 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. 10 to the power 2 is 100. 100 into 4 is 400. So when you add them, 400 plus 20 plus 7, this is 427. And this is exactly the reversal of this 7 to 4. Now let's do it with a program. This is the program. As I've told you, I'll be using a stack. So I'm using one index pointer top and it is initialized to -1. I'm declaring a macro of value 10 and I'm defining one integer array called stack and I'm defining it of size max, that is 10. I am assuming that the number that is being entered for reversing is not more than of 10 digits. If you think the user can enter a longer digit, you please define it as a long integer. Anyway, so stack is defined as an array of size 10. You're coming over here. the user is asked enter a number to be reversed. Suppose the user enters 724, that is assigned to num. That 724 is temporarily assigned to a temp variable, right? We'll see to it why. This while loop will run while num is greater than 0. That is, for the time that 724 is greater than 0, this while loop will execute, right? This 74 is divided by 10. See, this is mod operator. This divides a number and returns a remainder. When 724 is divided by 10, the remainder will be 4 and that will be assigned to this remainder variable. You are invoking the push method and you are passing this remainder value, that is 4, along with it. Push method is written at the back, but I have written it over here for your reference. This 4 will be assigned to this parameter m. The value of top is -1. It will be incremented to 0. At the stack 0 location, this 4 will be pushed. Can you see it? See, at the stack 0, this 4 is pushed. After that, this 724 is divided by 10. The result will be 72.4. But because you are dividing two integers, the answer will also be an integer. So that 0.4 is truncated and only 72 will be assigned to this num variable. This is the while loop. Control will go over here. We'll compare if this logical expression is still true. Is 72 greater than 0? Yes, the control will go inside. 72 mod 10, the remainder will be 2, that will be assigned to this remainder variable. You are again invoking the push method, taking 2 along with you. This 2 will be assigned to this parameter m. The value of top is 0, it will be incremented to 1. At stack 1 location you are putting 2, you are pushing 2. See, this stack 1, you are pushing 2 over here. Again the control will come over here. 72 divided by 10 will get you 7.2. But that will be truncated to an integer value, that is 7. 7 will be assigned to this num variable. Control will go again at the top to check this logical expression. Is 7 greater than 0? Yes. 7 mod 10. 7 cannot be divided by 10. Then this whole 7 will be assigned to this remainder variable. Again push method is called and then 7 is passed through it. This 7 will be assigned to this m. The value of top is incremented by 1. The top will become 2. At stack 2 location this 7 is pushed. Control will come over here. Divide 7 by 10. The answer will be 0.7. That will be truncated to 0. Num will be assigned value 0. The control will come over here. It will check this logical expression. Is 0 greater than 0? No. That means this while loop will get terminated. Control will come here. Procedure of popping from the stack will be done. On the screen you get a message. The reverse of the number 724 is temp. So now you can see that why that variable, why that number, original number was assigned temporarily to this temp variable. While top is greater than 0, the top is 2, right? Is 2 greater than 0? Yes. Control will go inside the loop. Call the pop function. Control will come over here. Is top equal to -1? No. Control will come here. Take out the value from stack 2 location. The value at stack 2 location is 7. That will be assigned to j. The value of top is decremented by 1. It will become 1. Return j. This 7 will go back to the main function. Will be assigned to this j. This 7 is multiplied by 10 to the power. Power is 0. 10 to the power 0 is 1. 7 into 1 is 7. And rev num is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. Rev num will get the value 7. The power variable will be incremented by 1. It will become 1. Control will come over here. Is 1 greater than equal to 0? Yes. Control will come over here. The pop method will be again called. Control will come here. Is top equal to -1? No. Top is 1. The value at stack 1 location is popped off. See, the value at stack 1 location is 2. It will be taken out, will be assigned to j. The value of top is decremented by 1. The value of top will become 0. This 2, which was assigned to j, will go back to the main function, will be assigned to the j. This rev num is 7, right? This 2 into 10 to the power 1. 2 into 10 is 20. 20 plus 7 is 27. Will be assigned to this rev num variable. Power variable will be incremented to 2. Control will come over here. Is 0 greater than equal to 0? Yes. This pop method will be called. Control will come over here. Is 0 equal to -1? No. The value at stack 0 location will be popped off. This is 4. This 4 will be assigned to variable j. The value of top will be decremented to -1. This value is 4 will be returned back to the main function, will be assigned to the j. Rev number is 27, right? 4 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 is 100. 100 into 4 is 400. 400 plus 27 is 427. That will be assigned to this rev num variable. power plus plus, power will be incremented to 3. Is top greater than or equal to 0? No, top is minus 1. So control will come over here. Print 427. So this is the reverse of the 724 number. So this program is running perfectly well. So I'm going to run this program, and I'm using Kigwin software for running this C program. Let me tell you that this Kigwin software tool provides you a Unix environment in Windows, right? I've already written the program for you. Cat reverse integer. This is the program that we were discussing. I'm using GCC compiler to compile it. It's compiled, only warnings are there, no error. So let's run it. It's asking you the number to reverse, say enter 724. See, the reverse of 724 is 427. So program is running perfectly well. Let's again run it, enter something else. See, the reverse of 344,672 is 276,443. So this program is running perfectly well. If you find any problem, you can mail me at bmharwani@yahoo.com. Even for the code, you can mail me. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.